Hey guys, take a look at this one. You don't see this one too often. All original 1985 Honda XL250. So this is an on-road, off-road that someone's kind of played with a little bit and took the on-road stuff off of it a little bit. They changed the tires, the dirt tires and so on. But when's the last time you seen one of these in this nice all-original Survivor condition? It says it has 2,400 miles on it, but I don't know how it possibly can. And even after putting the dirt bike parts on here, they obviously clearly never rode it off-road. So let's do a little walk around on this one. You can take a quick look. This is an all-original. They took the directionals off of this, and they took the rear taillight piece off, and like I said, they ended up putting knobby tires on and taking the street-approved tires off. Brand new tires. Look at the condition of the wheels. Condition of the forks is pretty nice, but the wheels are pretty wonderful, really. Nipples on the wheels and so on. Obviously kickstand, all that. They took the rear taillight off, and they put a smaller taillight on there. So I actually have one laying around. I actually have the plastic taillight and license plate holder for it. The rear directionals would have been right here, and the rear pegs would screw into the back of the swing arm right there. So they took the pegs off. So like I said, they tried to make this look like, or maybe they were planning on using this as a dirt bike, but as you can see on the original exhaust, nothing's ever been down on it. It's not scraped up, fallen on. You know, things have scuffed up against the side plate, so if you were to replace the little bit of yellow backgrounds, which you can get pretty much anywhere online, the yellow is kind of off when you buy this aftermarket number plate stickers, but it's still pretty close. We had one little tiny rip in the seat right here that somebody repaired at one time, and this bike is, you know what I'm saying, for 1985. You know, this bike is 35 years old, and it's got, I mean, the gas tank's not perfect. You know, we got a little ding right there. But I mean, look at this thing, dude. 1985. This beautiful condition. If you wanted to touch this thing up, you know, scuff the motor a little bit, get it a little black high heat temp paint, and you know, a little bit of, and this is a beautiful, beautiful example of like a motorcycle, a street bike, something to take to the store and so on. I mean, I would drive it just like this. I mean, look how clean everything is. Look how clean the swing arm is. You gotta think, man, this is a dirt bike. Somebody put tires on this thing to be a dirt bike. Like this yellow side plate, same sticker backgrounds, got scratches in it like that. And it looks like somebody obviously moved it off, removed off the front. So, yep, just a nice example. Something you don't see every day. Again, 1985 XL250. They have really nice XL80s. I've seen a few of those here and there, and they go for good money if they're in good shape. And then the XL350s, XL500s, XL600s, but they all depend on what year you have and you're buying. I believe in the movie The Wraith, which was like a 1985 movie with Charlie Sheen. They had, I believe it was an XL350 1985. But it could have been a 250 in that movie. And then in 1986, they started going with like the white gas tanks and so on like that. So it was a 1985 in the movie The Wraith. If any of you guys remember that, they had an XL350 and he drove around on that bike a lot. That was really cool. So when, you know, you're younger and watching that movie as a kid, that was a bad... This is pretty much it right here, man. And I'll tell you what, the thing runs like a top. And I'll tell you, dude, it actually drives really, really nice. It's quick. It's not, you know, going to rip your arms out of your sockets, but it's, you know, with whatever gearing is on this thing, it actually, in the woods, it's kind of a handful, man. This thing is kind of quick for an old beast. You know, you figure an old style 4-stroke motor like this, really, you know, old school, the RFVC, you would think that is not super powerful, like kind of heavy, the gearing and just the weight of everything. I mean, look at the size of the cylinder. You know, you think, oh, you know, it's kind of slumpy. It's definitely not slumpy, and I mean, obviously the dual carburetors on these models, you'd think, oh, it's got a lot of weight to it. The thing moves very, very well. It idles perfect, rides perfect, it goes through the woods, it's nice gearing. This is a nice machine right here. You know, original warning stickers on the tank and everything. Look at that. Beautiful machine. Just another nice piece in the McNasty Customz collection. Guys, check us out. We're going to have more videos coming up real soon. Some more vintage bikes, 3-wheelers, 4-wheelers, dirt bikes, and obviously other stuff that we build around the shop at McNasty Customz. Check us out. McNasty Customz on YouTube, McNasty Customz on Instagram, McNasty Customz on Facebook. Check us out, guys. Like and subscribe, please.